How to make a new user with same phone on Temu app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To make a new user with same phone on Temu, it is quick and simple. All you need is a Temu application. Launch a Temu app in your mobile device. Over here, make sure that you are signed in into your Temu. Now to make a new user with the same phone, all you need to do is check out the U option at the bottom. Then at the top, go ahead and click on the Settings option. Over here, navigate to the option of Switch Account. Tap on the option of Add Account. Now you can continue with the Google, Facebook, or your email, or even your phone number. So for the easy sign up, I'll be selecting Continue with Google. After you click on Continue with Google, you will have to select on a particular email address that you wish to create your new Temu account. After that, just with a simple click, you have got yourself your very own new user with the same phone on your Temu app. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.